What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you are new, thank you so much for watching. We're getting ready now to head out to California around Paramount area. If you are familiar with that area, I have my man loading up the car now. The little ones are waiting for me now to get them loaded up, and then we will be on our way. We have about a 10 to 11 hour drive. So let's knock this out real quick.
Let's go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. You ready, Soy?
Update, guys. We are now 6 hours and 23 minutes away from California. So I just changed the babies. I'm gonna run in really quick, just stop for gas, and then we will be on the road again. Guys, we have about 3 hours, maybe a little less than 2 hours right now. We are getting some food. It is so freaking hot out here. We're in Nevada, 106. We've got a grilled cheese, my salad,
something.
and we've got...
Look at that. That's the lamb.
That looks fire. That looks busted. What is this called? Let me have some of your meat.
I already have it.
That's stupid. They wouldn't let me put meat on the little salad. Right?
We are here. We got here like maybe 25 minutes ago. I look like a crazy person, but the drive wasn't that bad. The girls actually did really well too, so I'm really proud of them for that. I'm going to show you guys the tow truck now. He went to just go and check it out, and we're waiting in the car for him. And then we are going
To the hotel.
Yes, we will be going to the hotel. Okay, so what's happening?
So we guys see the tow truck, and then we gotta go to the hotel. And when we drive, we need to do this.
Yeah.
Yeah, right? So we can go to the hotel, and it's far away.
Look at the truck, guys. We got it. Looks real nice. We got a UD.
That's what I like.
I think. Yeah, we're pretty excited. Looks really nice. Putting up the car right now, and then gonna head out to the hotel. Look at this is what the inside is looking like right now. I'm really excited. It's so pretty out here at night. It has like a cool breeze right now. In Utah, it just stays hot all night. I know, it runs really good. What, hun?
And it has an engine brake that works.
Hell yeah.
The other one that we have that we gave my brother, the engine brake didn't
last night we got to the hotel around maybe like 10:30, and now we are packing up and getting ready to head out. When we got to the hotel, we were so tired that we just ate. I got the girls ready for bed and I didn't even film anything. It doesn't feel good at all today. The girls are a little sick too. We are ready to head out. The only thing that I'm not looking forward to is that truck's AC doesn't work, and I'm praying right now that there's not going to be any traffic, because stuck in traffic with no AC, are you freaking kidding me? That sounds like the death of me. So hoping for the best on the way home. Good job, baby. No, it's okay. It's kind of good for her because it's extra soft. No, don't take the whole peeling. Okay, give her a little bit. Give her a little bit. Fine. Take her binky out. Trying to look at the AC to see if we can get it fixed. We're just sitting here waiting. So sometimes when we do come out to California or other states to pick up a tow truck, because this isn't our first go around, but sometimes when we're out here we do fun stuff, but most of the time it's just like a bam 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 type of thing. Come out here, spend the night, get some rest, and then go straight back. So that's what we're doing this time. Maybe next time if we come we'll have a little bit more fun, but this time it's just not one of those moments, you know. There was a time too we came out here to get a tow truck and it didn't work out, and then we ended up hanging out in Santa Monica, went to the boardwalk with the kids, and that was a blast. We do want to definitely go back there one day and visit. Just stopped at AutoZone. He just shot the engine or whatever it was with Freon. Huh? What, love? Phil. And it's blowing cold air. When it comes to cars, he's so good at that. But it's blowing air, so I'm relieved.
Well, I feel better now, but... I mean, I don't care about you, but I worry about you guys.
No, we're okay.
Especially the babies. That's working good, bro. Hell yeah. Oh my goodness.
I think when you were messing with the wires, it did something. Good job, babe.
Yo, morning, brother. Hey, just you want to get something done? So, the freaking AC is freezing cold. So yeah, so I went. So it's funny. I drove to the hotel last night.
Honestly, I have no idea what happened to the footage that I recorded before this, but here we stopped at CNS Donuts. So good, our favorite spot. Every time we come, we always have to stop here. So if you guys are in that area, check them out. They are so good.
We got the goods. All these drinks are all natural. No sugars. Just all freshly squeezed. And it's so good. This orange juice is really good. Mama, will you grab your orange juice? We got our donuts and our favorite, which is the ham and cheese.
This is the ham and cheese. It's so good. Sally wants to show you hers. She got a donut with sprinkles on it. Bussin'? We are headed home now. We got on the road maybe about 25 minutes ago. It looks like we are running into traffic right now, which is kind of shitty because that's not what I wanted to happen. So that kind of sucks. But good thing is at least we have AC, because like I said, that would have been the death of me if we didn't have AC. I said the AC was gonna be the death of me, and now this traffic is gonna be the death of me. Feels like it's never ending. Four hours of traffic. Okay guys, we just got to Vegas and we just stopped to eat. It's crazy over here. It's like heck
Can I show mine?
Okay.
So hi. So I got it some food. There's like rice.
We are at Imperial Buffet in Vegas. Here is Salai's food. Here is my food. There's Babe's food. Every time we came, this wasn't here. So this is new. Whoa. Go. Thank you.
Thank you. They're not waving me.
Look, the puddle is gone now. That's weird.
Look at it. It's already dry. Look.
I know. It's crazy. There was a huge puddle in here and it was raining like crazy when we came in, and now it's all gone. This was all flooded. Well, I don't know about flooded, but a huge puddle, like huge. And now look at it. I'm still wet from running inside. Decided to stay the night here so Babe can get some rest and be ready for tomorrow. On our way, the AC was being a little bipolar and working on and off. So tomorrow, me and the girls might just end up driving the car. We're over here at Palace Station right now. I got the baby to sleep and I am currently trying to get the other little one to sleep. We will be leaving tomorrow, maybe hopefully around 5 or 6, so it's still daytime by the time that we get home. And not that much is going to be happening tomorrow, just us driving home. Most likely I'm going to be driving the car home because how the AC is acting. And let me tell you, when the AC doesn't work, it is the death of me. Like, that is not the business when it's not working. I'm looking like a hot mess right now, so I am going to shower up, get ready for bed. I think I'm gonna just end the video here because not too much is gonna be going on tomorrow. We'll just be heading home. But if you liked this video, then leave some love down in the comments and hit that like button. And if you guys are here for the long run, I will see you guys in my next one. And if not, then stay safe and good luck with everything. I'll catch you guys.